Hey, this is Chris from Unbox Addiction. It's just an unboxing of a refurbished phone I got to replace my XS Max. I went ahead and got just the regular iPhone XS because after 2 years of having my XS Max, I come to the realization I'm not the biggest fan of big phones. Anyways, I got this refurbished from a company called Gazelle. As you can see here from the website, you can buy used or refurbished products, or you can sell your own products as well. Like in here, at the top of the list, they sell iPhones, Galaxies, Google phones, iPads, cell phones, MacBooks, whatever. You can trade in your electronics for a decent amount of money, and they'll refurbish them and, I guess, like I said, resell them. So just something to do if you just have some extra electronics you don't have. As you can see here, they have a wide variety. Again, iPhones, Galaxy, iPads, MacBooks, the different selections that they offer right here. So from the most recent down to the even phones from a couple of years ago. So, I've bought from these people before. I've even sold some stuff from these people before. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So here it is. Naturally, it's not going to be a genuine Apple product as far as the charger cables in the case. As you can see here, this is just once I get out the plastic, it's just a generic socket. So let me see if I can focus in on it so you can see the wattage and stuff like that. Give me 1 second here. Once my camera focuses in on it. Come on. All right, hold on. All right, there we go. So it's just a generic charger, and then here's a lightning cable. Again, it's not a genuine lightning cable, but it does get the job done as far as charging your device. Let me pull this out of here. There we go. All right, let me go and pull this out. It's probably gonna be hard for you guys to see once I get it out of the plastic, but it's actually in decent shape, actually excellent shape. You have the option of buying fair, good, or excellent. I bought this on an excellent. The rails may have some smudges or maybe some light scratches on it because, it's a used product, but the screen in the back is in great condition, no scratches or anything. All you see is just smudges. Here, and here's a comparison between the my XS Max. I said I had my XS Max through Sprint, which is now T-Mobile, but after my 2-year contract came up, once it ended, I just came to the realization that, I just don't like big phones. I do like the design of the XS, so I kept it. That's why I'm getting a smaller version. Where the XS is a 5.8 point screen, my XS Max is 6.5, and it's just unwieldy in the hand and in my pocket. So, and there's not much of a difference between this and the newer iPhones either as far as design. That's it. Everything else operates the same. So, anyways, thank you for watching this video. You guys take care.